In my favorite store now. Looking at the orange tags. They having a sale on some stuff, ladies. Clearance out. My store. Yep. $9.99, $4.89. It's good. Buy one, get one 50% off. It's my weekly Walgreens trip. Told y'all when I come in here, I come straight to the cosmetics section. It's a bad habit, but it's just it. And I don't even know what I'm looking for. I don't even need anything. I'm just meddling. But anywho, y'all have a good night. Peace.